Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to delete the windows.old file. When you upgraded your Windows or maybe reset your PC, so you should be getting this windows.old file, and these are not deletable. When you normally do the process like this, you can see you need to, if I click on delete button, sometime in some windows it will delete, but most of the window it will not delete. So how to delete that, let me show you. If I get any kind of error, let's wait for some time. You can see huge amount of disk space is taking now. Okay, it's going to delete, but let me show you. If you are not able to delete it, you need to press window plus R button together and type for clean mgr. Okay, once you click on clean mgr, click on OK button, and you should not be getting this option windows.old file here. So what you need to do is you need to click on clean up system files, and then again click on this OK option, and this will scan the windows.old file here. This is pretty simple, but sometime you can see now. Okay, you can see this is the file previous Windows installation. You must be getting this option like 30 GB. In fact, in most of the Windows 30, 25, just tick that option, all the options here. You need to follow the same process which I am doing right now. Don't do anything except this. Just click on delete, and this will be deleted once the process is done from here. So let me check if we can wait some time, 1 to 2 minutes. If this might take more time in your Windows, if disk space is occupied more than 20 GB or more than 10 GB. But in my case, the windows.old file is 6 GB, since I have deleted some of them. But just to show you that how to you can delete it, I kept some windows.old file. Okay, so this is the process. Once you do that, and this will go to full space from here, this will be deleted and you will get the full space on your C drive. So this is the process guys, you can follow this might take more times. So I'm stopping the video right now, but you need to wait. Okay, so this is how you can delete the Windows old file from your Windows. Hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.